Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use Extrude Boss Extrude card in SolidWorks while on it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File, select New, and select Part and select OK. Now go to top plane or right plane as you wish. I am going to select right plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle from origin. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 160 and this line dimension 60. Now go to feature and extrude. Now I am going to extrude from line direction change. Give the value 100. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the hairline. Now this point and this line distance 20 and this point and this line distance 20. Okay, this point and this line dimension 20. Okay. Now draw the line here. This line control this line equal. Now use the control Z. Now this line select midpoint, control this point, vertical. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude card select. Now I am going to card 80. Okay. Now again here this plane sketch. Now draw the again here sketch. Select. Okay. This line horizontal. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 50 and now this line and this line degree was 120. Okay, now just here this line and this line distance 20. Feature and extrude. Now I am going to here select surface face plane. I am going to select this surface. Now here extrude 50. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now I am going to select here plane white. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box.